How to get all savanna animals in Rodeo Stampede. So you're gonna have to put in mind that you should be able to find more animals directly on the savanna section of this game if you upgrade the savanna habitat, and then especially the rare ones. We're gonna point out a few secret animals as well, because they require specific movements or tasks in the stampede itself, and the event or purchasable animals will just be put aside for now. So just the ones you can get during the stampede and the ones that are gained through secret ways. So there are 7 species you can get, and then from these 7 species there are the types. So you have the buffalo, zebras, elephants, ostriches, giraffes, vultures, and then the lion species. To unlock all the regular ones, you upgrade the savanna habitat and travel long distances, all while being in the savanna. So rare variants appear less often at lower levels and more often at the higher levels. Now for the secret savanna animals and how to unlock them, for example, we have the Dia buffalo, which is the secret buffalo type. You pretty much start around using or riding any buffalo, and you're gonna have to ride it for a distance of 750 meters without switching. So use the same buffalo until you reach that point, and then you have to transfer to the Dia buffalo. As shown in the gameplay over here, we have another secret, which is the Trojan zebra. You're gonna have to ride 7 different animal types in the savanna in one run. So the buffalo, zebra, elephant, ostrich, giraffe, vulture, and the lion. So this should unlock the Trojan zebra. You also have the vulture on, which is another secret type of the vulture. You travel 2,000 meters, and if you're lucky enough, you should be able to see the vulture that perches on the large rock. You're gonna have to jump on that one to unlock this, and of course you get that tame it. And finally, we have the Lion Chef, which is the secret lion type. You eat 30 animals while riding a single lion, which is all done in one run. This will unlock the special or the secret lion type. So many habitats like these one also have the boss animals you can unlock by completing specific boss missions once available. So just go ahead and do those missions, and you should be able to get those as well. But that's pretty much how you can get most of the savanna animals in Rodeo Stampede. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.